Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I have well too much fun. Cue the intro. Well, if you've been watching the channel, you'll already know that we have made the Honda MonkeyBike into a race machine. We have done a three-stage system. What we've done is we have basically taken off the old standard exhaust and put a race can on called Tenchi, because everybody knows that brand and it was cheap. And then what we've done is we've put new sprockets on front and back, one tooth less, to give it more acceleration and more power. And then, of course, last but not least, we have, of course, changed the air intake to a race air intake to, of course, give it that extra sucky to get it up to power, up to speed, and be able to hold the ultimate pace. And we've done a miles per hour test all the way through every stage of that to see what improvement has come up. Please go and check them out if you haven't already before you watch the rest of this video. And then the one thing I want to say just before we get this video started is please hit that subscribe button, thumb up and bell button if you haven't, and please share this video and tell your friends about the craziness that we've got going on this channel, because the more we grow, the more excitable I get, and it gets more crazy. So the whole point of this entire thing was to make a race bike to beat the Sidekick, and we've done all of that, but what we haven't done is we haven't taken out for a proper test. We've not taken out to test the MonkeyCycle race machine 11 out of 10 and to see the performance that it's going to improve and increase properly. So in this episode we get to do that. We're going to have a little bit of a giggle as always and a little bit of fun, and we're going to throw the MonkeyCycle through a few little tests just to see how cool it is. So let's crack on with this episode and let's have a giggle. So ladies and gentlemen, before you have to wait any longer, I'd like to give you the Helmet Head 11 out of 10 Honda Monkey race machine. Enjoy this.
Cause you called last night. I'm not that girl. I don't wanna dress up for you and be a toy. I'm not that girl. No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. What's your
Okay, so let's go through 4 tests, and let's stick with the first test. Let's just do a speed test going up and down hills to see if the mods, the MotoGP version of a Honda MonkeyBike, is any quicker. So first thing is, we're going to blast it down a piece of road and just see what it's like overall and have a bit of fun. Okay, so we've previously done the mods, check the speed difference one at a time on a reasonably fat sort of open piece of road. But what we're going to do now is we're going to try what it's like really acceleration, dropping down a tooth on each sprocket, and obviously the performance upgrade. We're going to go have a good uphill and a good downhill, literally a couple of miles, and we're just going to see what kind of pace we can get out of this. It'd be good to see if we can get this to hold around that 55, 60 uphill, and that was its top speed before. So let's have a bit of fun. So we're going to power up. When we get to the 60, we're going to absolutely floor it. Gonna go all the way up a hill. Hopefully, I'm hoping this is gonna give us some more power improvement. And of course, I'm not gonna enjoy full throttling this in any way at all. Okay, here's the 60. Let's throttle it. Got that pulling up this hill, and this is a reasonably, it won't show on the camera, but a reasonable hill. It's pulling up. Okay, we've got the downhill run coming up now. Look at it, let's tuck it in. Oh, this bike feels quicker and nimbler. Look at it go. Oh, no problem. Bump to 70, just like that. Right up the next hill, 56, and down again. Let's do this. Tuck it in, right down the hill. Woo! 72! Yeah, baby! Woo! And the final run down, let's see what we can get before the curve of the bend. 68, 70, 71, 71, 72. Oh yeah, 72, backing off of this mammoth bend. Oh, it feels well quicker. Oh, loving it. Mod, baby. I'm normally against making anything standard and modding it loads, but on this little 125, oh, it had some more fun. Oh, I like that. That was an up and downhill gradient. You can see we're literally heading slightly uphill again, and we're holding at a good 63, 64. Happy days. So let's now do a sound test. Let's see what that exhaust sounds like. Let's do a ride-by test. Let's do a standing still revving test. Let's just see if it sounds absolutely awesome, because people moan, don't know, that they sound a little bit sort of tinny, they don't have that oomph. But let's see if this exhaust gives it that real racing thoroughbred sound. Right, up next is of course the awesome cornering test. Now it sounds like a racing bike, it looks like a racing bike, it must be a racing bike, so it must be quicker around bends. I've done nothing to the suspension to make that happen, or any of the setup, but it must now suddenly become a real racing bend machine. So let's see what it's like around the corners. Okay, so of course it sounds like a MotoGP bike, it looks like a MotoGP bike now, because they all look like MonkeyCycles with dodgy air filters and cheap exhaust on and stuff like that. But of course we need to know if it handles like a MotoGP bike. So in front of me we have a couple of absolutely out of this world bends, and I'm not going to enjoy this in any way whatsoever. This is purely for science and testing out of the machine to make sure it can beat the Vespa. Of course this is nothing to do with fun and excitement. So yeah, let's find out if it feels quicker. Let's go. Power! Woo! Go, 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 go! Oh my days, this is a bend. Woo! That is awesome. It's definitely, I don't think anybody could argue this quite clearly is a lot quicker around bends, or it just feels a lot quicker around bends, let's be honest. But I'm having so much fun. Oh, I love this bike. It just is a smile a second. I've got to go and do that bend again. That was brilliant. What a bend. What about fun? What about excitement? We've got to test that. Now we've got this far, we've done all these things, we need to test how much fun the bike is. How much more of a giggle factor does it give us? Let's find out. Let's just have a giggle.
I want someone who can please me. I want somebody who cares. I need a lover who never leaves me. I need somebody who cares. I've been searching my life, I just couldn't find it. The special someone to give me my heart. I've been searching my life, but then I found it.
Well, the thing is, I've done the 3 mods to the bike, and they're 3 mods I wanted to do. We've been stuck at home, and it's, you know, it's there for a reason, it's for a purpose. It's to make the bike go that little bit quicker and a little bit more fun, and the monkey bike is packed with fun. Like, it's unbelievably fun. But it's made a difference for me. I really like it. I can hear it sucking in that air. That exhaust is... I'm worried I'm going to send like animals running for miles because it just sounds so quick. People moan about 125 sounding like tinny, but this sounds absolutely awesome. I mean, wow, it's just wow. It opens it up to be like a beast of a machine, the monkey beast. So the 11 out of 10 helmet head mods. I'll do it again now because I'm having too much fun. Well, come on. I mean, what an absolute giggle. I mean, I was laughing most of the way around that. Sorry, I should be saying I did that for pure scientific reasons, to test the modifications to make sure that the motorcycle was, of course, perfected perfectly for its first race against the Sidekick, to make sure that we will win the title of the best motorcyclist rider in the world back and literally rub it in his face as much as possible. But I had right giggle making that video, and you know what, the MonkeyCycle is just better and better and better, and I generally feel it is now literally become the most sexiest motorcycle in the world. I can see the women literally passing out as I ride by because it is just so awesome. And of course, with this perfect body of pie and bishop's finger, I have to wear brute and pour it all over myself just to keep them away. It's very difficult, and now riding that MonkeyCycle literally is making me laugh and smile even more. I'm getting so giddy. It's like the first time I touched a pair of ladies' boobies. I get all excited and giggly, and you know what a machine it is. And it is literally still the funnest machine I've probably ever ridden and ever owned. So I'm dead happy with it. I'm dead excited that those 3 things that we've put on have made a difference, and even if it's just smile factor, it's done it for me. So happy days. So I just want to turn around and say a massive thank you for the people that support this channel. If you're interested in becoming a supporter, please become a patron. These guys, every single month, they help fund this channel. They help pay for all of the expensive kit that we have to buy to be able to make these videos, and they're just absolutely awesome. And it's humbling as a creator to have so many of them, and I really appreciate it. There is so much more stuff I want to get and do for this channel, and of course it costs money, and without them it wouldn't happen. So thank you so much, guys and girls. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And of course, like earlier, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you're enjoying the fun, craziness and the silliness, because that's what this channel is about, fun, crazy, silly, tongue-in-cheek adventuring, please click that subscribe button, that thumbs up and that bell button, and you won't miss another episode, and I really appreciate it. And of course, there's only last 3 things to say, and they're the 3 most important things in life, the gospel of life, and that's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I'll catch you in the next Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.